Namaskaram everyone. Today's special unboxing. We have a very big Adiyogi. This is the small Adiyogi. This is the big Adiyogi, exclusive on my channel. And we have special unboxing man, Mr. Dipu Anna. Say namaskaram Anna.
Namaskaram.
Hi. Now you can work. I'll call you for unboxing. So before unboxing the main things, we have some new bottles. This is the 950 ml Adiyogi copper water bottle. Ta -ta -da. Okay, this costs how much? This costs 1920 rupees. Then we have the Nandi bottle, the Nandi collection. This costs 1150 rupees. Oh, okay. Dibona says I have to remove it. Please. Confusion ആയി. Hello. Okay. Now we have the Padam bottle. Okay, this costs 1670 rupees. Okay. Now we'll unbox the small Adiyogi before the mega event. Ta-da! This you can keep on front of your car or in your home, and this costs 250 rupees. Now to the mega event. Oh no. Yes, Nibona, any suggestions? Okay. So guys, Nibona, come. We need to unbox big Adiyogi. No. Anamanaga edunettinno. Okay. Don don da don don da don don da don 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 da don. Katti edukku Dipu. Yavadu. Okay. Correct alle? Back. Okay. Betul. മോളിന്ന് കാണിക്കണം. മോളിന്ന് കാണിക്കണം. ഓ, ഇത് മറ്റേതിൻ്റെ അതേ പാക്കിങ്. പിടിക്കേണ്ടി വരും. ഇതിപ്പോണ്ണ ഓ, which is the front side? Okay, this side. Oh. Awesome, awesome. So you can check this in the Isha Life website. Other links are there in the description. So how much does this cost?
Around 12,000.
So this costs around 12,000 rupees. Adiyogi has earrings, moon, Rudraksh mala, Yes, this will be a beautiful piece at your home if you want to. 12-inch size, yes. And many of you had asked me whether the 6-inch Adiyogi is consecrated. So that is also consecrated, and this this Adiyogi is also consecrated. So thank you guys. Hope you had a good day. Deeponna, please till the end of the video. Subscribe and wait a second. Wait.
Hello, check. So, very happy to be a part of this video. This first time I'm getting to be part of a YouTuber's video, and also such a very popular YouTuber, Vaisakh 90. So everyone who are watching, please subscribe, like and share, and then let's grow it.
Okay, bye. Thank you, cameraman. Thank you, Thomas Anna. Take care. Bye. Tata.